So what you guys are looking at right here is the VSUS system from Speedflate. Now that stands for Vehicle Specific Underseat. And we'll show you the underseat part in a second. But as you guys can see, we're able to run our lines out. They click in, and we're able to get one click shut on the door and run our air lines to our tires so we can air down or up all 4 tires at the same time. Say it's really hot, you can just be sitting in the cab with the AC on, or say it's raining, snowing, whatever. You're inside the cab with the heat, AC, whatever you want on, and you can monitor the inflation or deflation via the TPMS system on the dash. Now what that looks like for hooking it up, because it's partially hard mounted under the seat, all you have to do is hook up this line, plug this in, and then run this to your tires. So then you're connected. And then if you have onboard air, you can run that directly in, or you can use this provided line. Now this lets you hook up to any air compressor that you have for inflation, or you can use this for deflation. And we are the first to market with this specific style of system that can actually deflate tires as well as inflate them. So these are the brackets for the system. As you guys can see, they're very simple. These are made of lightweight aluminum and anodized. They slide under. You remove one seat bolt on the bottom and you slide this under and then torque that seat bolt down, and that is the installation. Up top, you'll install the air chucks up here, and then there'll be a crossover tube that runs underneath the seat, under the center console, and connects the 2 lines. So that's how it's connected, and the install takes only a few minutes. So this is what it looks like from the driver's side. And as you can see, we hooked up the extra line. So what this allows you to do, so just so you guys can visualize, you guys can use this line to plug in any compressor if you have like an external compressor or anything. But keep in mind the system is actually designed for hard mounted compressors, whether you have it, you know, under the hood, under the seat, anywhere. You can tap into that crossover line and you don't have to use this. But for airing down, this is invaluable because we just provide this little insert piece right here. You just plug this in, and then as you guys can hear, we're airing down all 4 tires. And once again, we can sit inside the vehicle, close the door, have the AC on or the heat on, anything you guys want, and monitor from the TPMS system inside. So very versatile, very easy to install, very easy to use. Because the hoses are separate, there's less to tangle up. It's just, a lot of people even, I think, will keep the driver's side inside the door on the driver's side and the passenger. So you don't even have to worry about, like, they're just there. Open the door, plug everything in, and you're like ready to inflate or deflate. Keep in mind too that what this system allows, which is really cool, is you can hard mount an air tank. We also will be providing extra crossover hose. It's high temperature rated, so it can be really close to the compressor. The compressor generates a lot of heat. It's rated to hold that heat, and we are going to be selling that. If you guys are interested in, you know, kind of working up your own system, we were able to add one of the seamless tanks into the bed of the Gladiator, and we improved our air up time by like over 43% just from one tank. So this is a very versatile system. It pairs with a lot of things, super easy to use. Also, what this hose allows you to do besides using any compressor is you can use a power tank. So you can just plug your power tank right in and you'll be airing up in like under a minute, and still, once again, monitor from the system inside. So, and you don't have to have this hooked up at all. You can just have the 2 lines and you can have your compressor. Like mine's hard mounted in the bed. I can just flip the switch and that's it. I don't have to even mess with this hose. So there's just a lot of versatility to the system. This system is going to be available for pre-order now. So if you guys are interested in checking out this system, you guys can go down. There'll be a link in the description of the video. You guys can check it out, pre-order it. I think the pre-order window, we're gonna probably shoot between 30 and 60 days. I'm not sure, but we'll have that date of the release. Actually, I'll put it right here, somewhere where you guys can see. The date will be on the screen of when we're aiming to release these. So if you want to pre-order, I think these things are gonna go fast. We might sell out, so get down there and pre-order those. So I forgot to mention, this system is currently only available for the Gladiator and JL Wrangler platforms. We are working on more platforms. We're working on the Tacoma, doing R&D right now. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have another, like a vehicle platform that you'd like to see this come out for, and then we'll get that in the works for you guys. Also, I just want to touch on hose color real quick. As you can see, obviously we have red available for pre-order, but we also have yellow, blue, and pink, actually, of all colors are going to be, that's a first for us offering pink. And yeah, we will expand the color options as we go, but that is what we're starting with for pre-orders. And yeah, like I said, let me know if you guys are interested in any other vehicle platforms.